still putting the fireworks on. Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome everyone to this fine, what is it? Is it Wednesday? Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah, it is Wednesday. I'm like, gotta even see what day it is, but it is the 1st of January in 2025, the year that we've been waiting for, guys, the year that we're going to show you that it's a new year, but we have the same crypto outlook, guys. We have the same crypto outlook, and what do I mean by that? Well, I mean that we are still on our trajectory, on the thesis, and by looking at previous data, that we are going to be heading to the peak prices of over $350,000 per Bitcoin. And I think we are just gearing up for the next leg up in the market. And we just hope you guys are ready for it. And let's just start off the new year with a nice little live stream. We're just going to stream for about 30 minutes or so. We're going to cover some of the news, and we're going to look at some of the altcoins. We're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to see where it's headed. Main focus of today's live stream will be Pepe, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, because these are the three things that I am actually holding very strong, and also what I am accumulating for holding into the rest of this year, because I think that this year is where we're going to see the most gains. I think 2024 was just like a teaser year of a recovery year, essentially. If you look at historical data, we always have these this happening. So I'm going to show you guys this real quick. So I got fireworks everywhere. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button. Do all the housekeeping. We just want to make sure you guys are coming into these live streams on a normal basis. We do these things Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time, and we're pretty consistent with it, and we just love you guys coming in, and make yourselves known in the chat. Let me know where you're watching from, who you are, where you are, and we can get the show on the road. Let me know what you're drinking. I'm drinking black coffee with some honey and water. What are you guys drinking? All right, so this is recording Bitcoin prices on New Year's Eve. So in 2013, it was at $754. 2014, $320. 2015 was $431. And this was the halving year, was 2016 at $964. And then on 2017 is where you have, so this is the recovery year, the halving year. And then after the halving, you have a year of price action. And so 2018, $3,743, and then you have 2019, $7,194. Here's the halving year. You have a halving year recovery year going up to 29,000, and then look at what happens. The next year, giving it a year of time of growth, goes up to all-time high for 49,000 in 2021, and then you can see 2 years of the bear market. You got 16,597 right here in 2022. 2023, 42,560. And then look at this. Halving year. And see this pattern? This is a really amazing pattern to look at of price action. We're past the halving year. We know what like how far we're out on the halving date. We have a tweet that we posted that shows this data from April, that if you just go another April of this year, I think that's where we're going to see, I think maybe $150,000, maybe $200,000. But in the short term, we could be trading up into the inauguration of $110,000, $111,000 per Bitcoin. That's our target. And right now, like if you look at this range, this is where the halving was. This is where our target is for, I think, one of the peak all-time high prices for Bitcoin could be at 265,000, maybe right on this line at 220. But we're going to be trading up here pretty soon because of the inauguration. I think we do have more buy-in pressure selling pressure because we haven't had a major dump. We're actually look pretty bullish today on the new year. And so this could be just pulling the sentiment going into January. We could look at the historical data and see how a lot of these altcoins are actually doing really well. Like ADA's up 5%, Gala's up 5%, HBAR 6%, XRP up 8%. Look at that. XRP is about to break out of this little flag here. Yeah, XRP is actually looking really good right now. Could be breaking out of this pattern. A lot of the altcoins are looking really good. Target for XRP, if it's going to break out of this thing, could be at all-time highs and at $4 in XRP. That would be crazy. The XRP army would be super happy about that. But yeah, a lot of the altcoins are picking up some steam. Total market cap. Let's see the total market cap. 3.2 trillion. We've showed this chart before that we are breaking out of a cup and handle pattern for the whole market. So we're heading up to the target of $7 trillion with, I think, Bitcoin being going up that market cap ladder, 1.8. But I think with all-time highs, it was at 2 trillion. Imagine Bitcoin being at about, $4 or $5 trillion, and then ETH getting to 1 trillion, going to between 6 to 8K, breaking all-time highs, and then XRP, like I said, going to $4. Then we get XRP almost at $500 million, $500 billion market cap. We're gonna have a lot of money going into this market, guys. I don't think you guys really truly understand. Maybe you do, but there is going to be a lot of money coming into these coins, but also into the stable coin market. There's going to be a lot of yield opportunities, a lot of exchanges and things and protocols that are going to be offering yield. Just make sure you do your research and know what you're doing. But there's definitely going to be a lot of options to be able to offer your stables up and earn yield, LP, things like that. But check this out. I find this fascinating. Look at this. So we're going to, we're doing our altcoin Bitcoin analysis right now. And look at this. Pepe right now is the 7th highest traded token by trading volume. This is still blowing my mind. It's now listed on almost like all of the major exchanges. The trading volume on the DEX is really good. 9.3 million. The centralized exchange volume, trading volume, it's listed on almost every single exchange now at this point, because now it's got Coinbase, it's got Robinhood, all of the different exchanges across the world. The Asian countries really like Pepe. I have some videos to play about Pepe that are great. And we're gonna get into Pingu, the Pudgy Penguins token. We're gonna analyze Luca Nets, and we're going to start to do some more research and probably bet hard on this abstract chain, trying to be the leading layer. I think he said, I don't know if this is a layer 2. We'll have to watch that video again from Ivan. We're gonna have to dive into this a little bit. Yeah, abstract mainnet. We got to click in. We literally just opened this up and kind of started to dive into this, so we'll do it together. All right, where is the... Yeah. Yeah, here it is. All right, let's watch this.
Talk about something we just chatted about on radio, guys. The era of the meme coin is back. Can you believe that?
No, I don't.
Tell
me more, Tim.
Okay, there's Pepe the dog,
gosh.
Pepe the frog themed coin,
Okay.
and dog with hat. This is new to me. I'm just learning this from Among the Most Read, Muyao Shen.
I think this is all just
The
to
Pepe
say
coin is
it is certainly back.
Okay.
There's
Is
a
that where we're
sentiment.
at? Is this like the contrarian sell signal now?
That's what I'm thinking. This is like there's a sentiment indicator here, right?
So as soon as Bitcoin hits 69,000, what happens to all these other meme coins? That's the big question, right?
Can't believe it.
Well, not really, right? Because now you're waiting for that Ethereum ETF. And so if you think about it, perhaps exuberance can keep going because, you know, even if interest rates stay higher, it has not popped the bubble of money going into these types of investments.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, let's go. Pepe and Dog of Hat being mentioned on Bloomberg. Let's go. Yeah, the sky's the limit with Pepe. As you can see, we're really bullish on Pepe. I feel like we're just because of Elon, bull posting about Pepe, changing his profile picture. You got to remember, Elon is the most popular man in the world right now. Trump and Elon are the two most popular people in the entire world right now. The most known people in the entire world right now. And so if this dude is bull posting about Pepe and people are just going to eventually link it to the highest traded volumed meme coin right now, besides Doge, well, wait. No, I mean, yeah, it's basically, yeah, it's the highest traded volume meme coin in the entire space. So I'm going to bet that this thing is going to get to a Doge status market cap where it's at a $40 billion market cap. And they would probably love for it to go to a 40 billion, $200 million market cap just for the meme's sake. Clearly for the meme's sake, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I think there's some breadcrumbs being led into the direction of being bullish on meme coins. And speaking of meme coins, we have a Pudgy Penguin token called Pingu released on Solana, and this was an airdrop. I successfully got the airdrop as well. I did. I used my Ethereum address and also my Solana address. They, I synced it up, and then they let me know how much I was able to get. I got about 150. At the time of the airdrop, it was valued at $150. So not too bad. I mean, it's free. It's free Pingu. But yeah, so in terms of the highest valued meme coin, yeah. So in memes, in terms of market cap, Doge has been at the top. It's just been solidified as the top blue chip meme coin, and I wouldn't even consider it a meme at this point. It's just like its own thing, but it is the father of the memes. Now there is some lore that we're going to make a video on, and we don't want to spoil it, but we have someone that really knows the back history of a lot of these proof of work meme coins and proof of work coins, and there's something like called barbecue and lucky coin, and these things still exist. So we're actually going to be making some content on it. It's going to be really cool. We have someone that we're going to have come on the channel and talk about it. And we're excited to do that. We're going to have some really cool stuff to dive into, because apparently he was saying, hey, you need to pay attention to the proof of work coins from days of old, from like 2013, just way back. And so there's going to be something that I think eventually happens where we have a resurgence in value of these proof of work coins and people start to mine these. But what's happening is that exchanges are mining these coins. Binance is mining them. Bybit and big exchanges are starting to mine these coins. So I wonder what they're doing. They're trying to build up a supply so then they can be able to sell it on their exchanges and have the liquidity to be able to do so. So we're going to make a video on it. It's going to be really cool, and it might be really great opportunity for us to get into something early that's from previous cycles, but has that proof of work mechanism, just like Bitcoin. And it'd be interesting to see what we can find out. But yeah, Dogecoin definitely highest traded by market cap. Shiba Inu, though, has always been chasing up to try and catch Doge. But then now we have Pepe trying to chase up and catch up to SHIB. And I think it's bound to happen at some point. But we're going to analyze a couple charts. We have this chart that we wanted to show you guys for Pepe. Where is it? Let's see. Is it in the book? I think it's in my bookmarks. I don't know. My bookmarks aren't working for some reason. All right, so let's go back. I think it's on Max. Max, because BTC has been analyzing Pepe a lot. Oh, am I losing connection? Did I lose connection? Are you guys? Am I still here? Am I still streaming? Okay, yeah, it looks like it's still working. I don't know what's going on. X is not working. X just like stopped working. Uh-oh. Well, let's see. Oh, yeah, I don't know what's going on. It says I lost connection, but I'm still streaming. Yeah, guys, put some emojis in the chat. Let me know if you can still hear me. You can still see me. Okay, cool. I don't know what's going on with X. It's just, like, not working. See if everything else is working. Yeah, looks like it. All right. You know what we haven't charted in a while? We haven't looked at Sol. So Sol is doing this really interesting, like if you were to look at this from a bottom trend perspective, you could say from these lows here, maybe I'll go from the candle bottoms. Try not to, yeah. That was a nice clear bounce level from 175. If we went lower, we would just test 175 again. But from 190, I think we could. I think now we're showing some strength. If we can get over 199, we have to surpass this right here to start to flip bullish. And then the target would be 227 short term. So we can push up 200, no problem. But then a resistance level that we would have to eye would be at 228. Easy way to catch that is you're just looking at the Bollinger Band on the daily, and then you can also look at it on the 4-hour. And this is where you can start to see it, where if it's starting to tighten up. Also, you can see where when it swoops right here. Let's zoom in here so you guys can see that. You see this? I like to look at that as next area of price. Right here. So next area of price right there. And then look at where it's at right now. It's kind of be, if you know, going long, bullish, trading kind of up this little channel. But we want to make sure this isn't a trap, because this could be, if you're looking at this in a bearish way, this could be a bear flag. That would bring us right back down to 175. So then you could also look at this as bearish as well on the 4-hour. Yeah, I don't know about Sol. Don't know about Sol just yet. I've been really trying. I want to get into another Sol trade, but I'm trying to wait on some levels. I'm like, where should I pull the trigger on this thing? We just have to see. We'll have to see if we can hold. If we can at least get and surpass 195 and not get rejected like we have been right here, right here, right here. 195, between 195 and 200. It's all wicks up here. There's no sustained candle movement on the daily in these prices. The only ones were over here. Everything else right in this portion, you know, in December, mid-December, all the way to now, it's just been very wicky and then choppy. How do you guys feel about Sol? How do you feel about Solana? You feeling good? Feeling bad? Oh, let's see what the poll. We had a poll. Did you guys vote on the poll? Okay, 12 votes on the poll. Which one would you choose to hold for 4 years? All right, so obviously I knew BTC was going to win. It's 67% voting on BTC, and then we had a good portion of Doge, and a lot of people did not want to hold Pepe for 4 years. I'm going to test it. I'm going to hold a little bag of Pepe. I'm obviously going to take profits on the way in this journey of the Pepe journey, but I'm curious with Doge too. Like, I'm going to hold BTC, Doge, Pepe for the next 4 years and just see what happens. I'm not going to sell it all. I'm always going to have like a little pieces, little bags, little wallets, little, things everywhere. I mean, that's how you're in 4 years. Like, you, as long as you have your keys, you have good risk management. You have a way that you can access it. Your family can access it. Just all of those things that you have to do just naturally when it comes to building up a portfolio of things. It's going to be just a cool experiment for us because we don't truly understand how early we are in this space until we hold for a long period of time. And I think that's how a lot of Bitcoin people from the early days feel now, that if they were able to even hold just a couple of those Bitcoins up until now, they feel that true essence of conviction, and they're like, whoa, like it completely changed their lives. And now they're able to move freely, use capital, acquire property, start a business, or not do anything. So this can be us truly, where we have true freedom, and you're able to start your businesses, you're able to work on your stuff through having some conviction, holding. We have this little Google document where it's just an easy reminder for people that are starting in crypto, that are new. And I'm sure there might actually be, like, put some ones in the chat if you are brand new into crypto and you're just on YouTube, you've just been kind of figuring out what you want to do, what coins to invest in, just be honest. Like, put a 1 in the chat if you're brand new, you don't even have any coins yet. You don't have anything invested. You're just perusing. You just walked into the store. You haven't bought anything yet. If it's no one, that's good. But if there's even just a few people, stop it, Dream Tanks. Stop it right now. With the Doge logo. I know you're a Doge maxi. I bet you're like all in on Doge. I have me and my wife going heavy in Doge. She's buying Doge. I'm buying Doge. So we're just gonna have Doge. And so here's the 3 steps for successful bull run. Diversification. So it reduces the risk by spreading investments across the board. Like, I mean, you could say it's risky to be all in Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe it's good to have a spread portfolio where you have like 60% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have 30% in the rest of the tokens, whether it be DeFi, NFT-based meme coin tokens, coins themselves, or DeFi, privacy, layer 1s, layer 2s. Go down the line. in terms of what's in the space that you can check out. I mean, there's tons. So many things. All this stuff. All of these things. You could just stick with the top 100. And I mean, look, even Airdrome Finance. Great coin. Base chain, a lot of volume on that thing. Look, Core, Brett, Sandbox, Floki, Injective. Look, Phantom. All these are great. All these are great tokens. These are all Render, Monero, Kronos, the Crow Chain, Aave. All of these. Look, all this is still in the top 100. So find what you want, find what looks good, find what is trading high volume, and build up a diversified portfolio. Then you got to set up multiple exchanges, multiple wallets. If you've been seeing the rotating banners, these are all of the exchanges that I actually use on a daily basis that I like to support. That being COINFLARE, where we have our trades open currently right now. We have our BTC trade open, our Pepe trade, Doge trade. And then also OURBIT, where we like to trade the memes and also buy spot meme coins. Easy network access, being able to send in and out with memes and also get rewards. And then also PHEMEX is where we can do inverse perpetuals with XRP now and Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So if you want to use my link in the description and you want to earn more crypto right now with a Coin M inverse perpetuals with BTC, ETH, Sol, or XRP, definitely use my link in the description. You can see the banner just popped up as I am talking about it. So check that out. We're actually going to be opening up 4 new trades, all with using BTC, ETH, Sol, and XRP, and we're going to see the progress of it, and we're going to just show you guys how you can actually build and, especially in this bull run, collect up some coins for holding into the rest of the year. And this is a great opportunity to do so during this bullish season. Oh, nice. Hasif Peroso. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'm just going to call you Peroso. Just subscribe. Well, thank you for subscribing. We're just kind of running through the exchanges that we like to use. Yeah, make sure if you just subscribe, come into the Discord. You can feel free to come in and hang out and chat. Like, this is the whole point of this section. You guys got to come in, just hang out and chat. You can post pictures, tell me what you're doing, what you've been up to. You got some funny jokes, or if you have some really good memes, please post them in the meme section. And also, if you have some good trade setups, we have some people that every now and then they love to post their trade setups, and you can kind of see what is the, kind of what's the vibe across the market. You kind of see the analysis from other people. What's the scoop? Ivan? Okay, cool. That's easier. It said hedge coin. No, I haven't heard of it. Oh, it's a meme coin. How about that? If it's over a certain amount, if it's over a certain market cap as of right now, I will pull it up. I'm gonna look at it right now. Is the ticker HEGE? Like a hedgehog? Okay, I see it. Yeah, on Sol. Okay, I was going to say if it's over 10. If it's over 10, I'll check it out. Okay, so it's in an NFT collection too. Okay, so Hedge is is on a quest to become a successful meme in order to win the heart of his crush, Hedgina. Hedge fund to help turn Hedgie's dream into reality. The Hedge story is that okay? NFTs, airdrop. Well, the chart, I mean, the chart doesn't look too bad. You know what? I will pull it up. You know what? I will pull it up. The chart actually doesn't look too bad. No major like pump or dump candles. So I always like that, you know, if it doesn't have any like major dumpy candles. Nice, you know, got nice all-time high here. Nice little test here, double top, but then broke down. Had a nice this is a, you know, nice bearish divergence for consolidation back down to range lows and support to build support right here. Building up support right here, and then in November actually pulled up and really shined, then creating one of these. So now we just have to see if it's going to just trade right back down into where it established really great support. So you could see something like this, just to test back up. But if you're looking at the distance of how long it went from here, or at least from its recent high to here, give it some time. You just have to give it some time. It's just like ticker Bitcoin. We charted ticker Bitcoin and Ponky just like this. And as long as it's a strong coin and a strong community and it can really hold up and stay over $100 million market cap for a certain amount of time, then it can do something like this. It can get up to 7 cents. Right now it's at 2 cents. I mean, you just have to be able to hold. I mean, but hey, this thing has 23,000 holders, so actually, let's check the Twitter. Okay, 25. Okay, so let's see who's following it. Followed by Crypto King, Rodney. Yeah, I mean, what's one soul? You know, I mean, I've put one soul into some absolute garbage. Just a couple months ago, you would just be like, but I told you guys, it was like looking for a man in finance. I mean, come on. I was like, but I thought that was at least gonna run for like a little bit, but it didn't last. It didn't last but 10 hours, and it was over. And then there was this other one. It was like some other monkey thing, and I don't know, just absolutely just atrocious. So I mean, stuff like this, at least it, you know, looks halfway decent. So, oh, but wait, did we get? Oh, it's on listed on the on-chain wallet. Okay, but hey, that might be a good sign that Crypto.com, the actual exchange, will fully list this thing. Crypto.com is really bullish on memes, so. Yeah, we'll keep this on the radar for sure. Thanks for leading me to another coin that I have to eventually decide if I want to buy or not. But all right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll let you guys get going. Appreciate you coming in today on the first day of 2025. Let's make it count. Let's start it off right. Today is great for today is really great for just like setting the stage for the rest of the year, for the rest of the, you know, the next couple of years. You can really set the stage today and really make today count and continue that momentum. You know, you're going to have your days. Obviously, we know that. Sometimes you do have to have days to rest, to recoup. But man, I think if you just really say, look, let's lock in. Let's do this thing. Let's have some teamwork. You have a partner. You got a wife. You got a girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Work together. Help each other out. Let's do this thing. All right. We'll see you later today. We're going to stream at like 8 p.m., I believe. And we hope to see you there. I think on that live stream, we're actually going to pull up some crypto gaming. We haven't pulled up Medieval Empires in a little bit, so we really want to do that. And we're going to also pull up some other crypto games that we'd like to test, and we hope to see you there. Thanks for coming in, and we really do appreciate you. Make sure you're hitting the like button on the way out. Make sure you share this stream with your friend. Also, share the stream on x.com. Check out all the links in the description down below. Those are all the partners of the channel, and just links or just exchanges that I actually really like and enjoy using on a daily basis. So just make sure you guys are checking those out. And with that being said, we'll see you on the next live stream. Make sure you come to the next one because it's going to be fun. We're going to be testing out some crypto games. We're going to check out all the different things that we can look forward to in terms of like the crypto entertainment, and just there's so much stuff to cover. So we want to make sure we're keeping you guys tuned in, keeping the finger on the dial for all this stuff, and we hope you guys are just having fun and enjoying yourselves while doing so. And see you later. Peace out. Happy New Year.